Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 13, Lesson 79, and our unit is all about vocabulary and spelling. Today, we learn one of the most powerful tricks in the whole language, word roots. A root is a small piece hiding inside big words, and once you know a handful of them, you can figure out the meaning of words you've never even seen before. It's a little like having a secret key. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a word root? A root is the core part of a word, the piece that carries its main meaning. Everything else, the beginnings and endings we attach, just adjust that core idea. Here's why roots are so powerful. When you learn one root, you can unlock the meaning of many words at once. Roots really are the building blocks of English, and once you start spotting them, unfamiliar words feel a lot less mysterious. Let's meet our first root, P-O-R-T, port, which means carry. Watch how it hides inside familiar words. Transport carries things from one place to another. Something portable is easy to carry around. And when we export goods, we carry them out to other countries. Do you see it? The same little chunk, port, sits inside all three, and each word has something to do with carrying. Whenever you see port, think carry. Our next root is S-P-E-C-T, SPECT, and it means to look or to see. It shows up everywhere you use your eyes. When you inspect something, you look at it closely. A spectator is a person who watches, who looks on, and a spectacle is a big, dramatic sight, something really worth seeing. Notice that SPECT sitting inside each one. Every time it appears, the eyes are involved. SPECT is all about looking and seeing. Let's pick up the pace and take two roots together. First, DICT, which means to say or to speak. When you dictate a letter, you say the words aloud for someone to write down. When you predict, you say what will happen before it does. And a dictionary, of course, tells you how words are said and what they mean. Our second root here is AUD, which means to hear. A sound that is audible is one you can hear. An audience is a group gathered to hear or listen. And an auditorium is a hall built for hearing, a place where sound carries to every seat. Say them together. Dict for saying, aud for hearing. Here are two more worth knowing. SCRIB, sometimes spelled SCRIPT, means to write. When you describe a scene, you write down what it's like. To scribble is to write quickly and messily. And a manuscript is a written document, often a book before it's printed. Our last root for today is TRACT, which means to pull or to drag. A tractor is a machine that pulls heavy equipment across a field. When people or ideas attract you, they pull you toward them. And to extract something is to pull it out. Write with SCRIB, pull with TRACT. Now, let's put a root to work by breaking a whole word apart. Take transport. We can split it into two pieces, trans and port. We just learned that port means carry. The piece trans means across. Put them together, across plus carry, and transport literally means to carry across. Isn't that neat? When you meet a long, unfamiliar word, try breaking it into parts. Find the root you know, and the meaning often appears right in front of you. One more idea before we practice. Sometimes the root is a whole word all by itself. When that happens, we give it a special name, a base word. For example, in the word rewrite, the root is write, And right is already a complete word on its own, so we call it a base word. Roots like port or SPECT can't stand alone, but plenty of roots can. Here's your strategy going forward. First, look for a root you recognize inside the word. Second, remember what that root means, and then read the rest of the word around it. Do that, and unfamiliar words start giving up their secrets. Let's practice what we've learned. In this first set, I'll show you a root, and you choose its meaning. Think back to the example words we explored together. Pause the video and decide before I reveal each answer. The root SPECT, as in inspect and spectator. What does it mean? Remember, both of those words are about the eyes, about watching. SPECT means to look or to see. So the answer is look or see. The root AUD, as in audible and audience. These words are all about sound reaching your ears. AUD means to hear. So the answer is hear. The root TRACT, as in tractor and extract. A tractor pulls a heavy load, and to extract is to pull something out. Tract means to pull or to drag. So the answer is pull or drag. In this second set, I'll give you a word and you spot the root hiding inside it. Then think about how that root shapes the whole word's meaning. Pause and choose before I answer. Which root is hiding inside the word dictionary? Say the word slowly. Dictionary. There it is at the front, DICT, the root that means to say or speak. A dictionary tells you how words are said, so the answer is DICT. Which root lives inside the word describe? Listen for it. Describe. That's SCRIB, the root that means to write. When you describe something, you write down what it's like. So the answer is SCRIB. Which root is inside the word export? Break it apart. Export. There's port, our very first root, the one that means carry. To export goods is to carry them out to other places. So the answer is port. Let's gather up what we learned in Unit 13, Lesson 79. A root is the core part of a word, the piece that carries its main meaning. And learning one root can unlock many words at once. We met 6 of them today. Port means carry. SPECT means look. DICT means say. AUD means hear. SCRIB means write. And TRACT means pull. And when a root stands alone as a full word, we call it a base word. The next time you meet a long, unfamiliar word, break it into parts. Find the root you know, and its meaning will often appear. Wonderful work today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.